Hello everyone, my name is Daniel Bla and I live in Malki Dankiti. I study in St. Edmund School class 6. First of all, I would like to thank God for giving me the gift of singing, and I would like to thank Uncle Basil who has helped me to participate in Sur Kynud. I would like to thank Father Makari who is the director of Youth Center for giving me the right platform for me to show my singing talent. I would also thank Miss Lapadyang, who is my singing coach, for giving me an opportunity to sing very well. The first time that I started singing was when my grandfather inspired me to sing well in every competition that I go. The first time that I get my opportunity to sing was in class 2 in St. Edmund School that I start singing my first song, Bohemian Rhapsody. When I sang in Sur Kynud the first time, I was very happy to show my talent to many people who have watched my Crocodile Rock video for the first time that I start singing in YouTube. Was very happy, and that's how it is. And I would like to thank God for giving me the gift of singing also. I humbly request everyone here to like and share my video of me. I hope my voice will reach and touch the hearts of many people. Thank you.